morning and welcome in today's class, dear students. So in division till now you have studied the meaning of division, the terms used in division and properties of division. Now the terms used in division are dividend, divisor and quotient. Dividend is the number which we divide, divisor is the number by which we divide and quotient is the answer which we get after division. And now today we are going to see the long division method without remainder. Okay. So suppose if I want to divide 12 by 4. Okay. If the division question is 12 divided by 4, here we have to divide 12 by 4. So how will we divide this in long division method? Now we know 12 is dividend and 4 is divisor. Okay. So we'll draw the lines like this and we'll write the dividend here inside these lines and 4 we'll write outside. Here we'll write the dividend and outside we'll write the divisor. Okay. Just see how can we write here. Inside we'll write the dividend and outside we'll write the divisor. Okay. Dividend divided by divisor. Dividend divided by divisor. Okay. Now to divide the number, what you have to do is you have to recall the table of divisor, the table of 4. You have to recall the table till you get 12 in table of 4. Okay. So let's start. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. Okay. We get 4 3 times we get 12. So it is 3 times. Okay. So we'll write the question, that is answer, above this line. Okay. Above dividend here. And then what we have to do is 4 threes are is 12. So we'll write 12 below this dividend and put the sign of subtraction, that is minus. And then we'll subtract these numbers. Now 12 minus 12, 2 minus 2, 1 minus 1. Okay. 12 minus 12. What will be the answer? 0. The number, when we subtract the number from number itself, the answer is 0. Property of subtraction, right? So 4 threes are 12. We subtract this 12 from the dividend and this is the difference. 12 minus 12 is 0. So our answer is what? Our answer is 3, the quotient. Okay. Our answer is 3. So where do we write quotient? Above this line, above this dividend. Okay. At this place we write the answer in this long division method. Okay. And this side, outside, we write the divisor, the number by which we divide. And inside these lines we write dividend, the number which we divide. Okay. Dividend, divisor, quotient. Now let us try to understand this long division method with some more examples. Now another number I am taking is 45 divided by 9. Okay. 45 divided by 9. Now again I'll draw these lines. I'll write 45 inside these lines and 9 divisor outside. Okay. So now to divide 45 by 9, we have to recall the table of 9 till we get 45. Okay. We have to recall the table of 9 till we get 45 in 9's table. So just recall the table. 9 ones are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45. We get 45 by how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 times. Okay, we get 45 in table of 9 by 5 times. So, where will we write the answer? Above 45 here. Okay, at the top. So, 9 5s are 45. Okay, now see how to write. 9 5s are 45. And then we have to put the sign of subtraction. Okay, here. And then subtract 5 minus 5 0, 4 minus 4 0. Okay, so 9 5s are 45, 45 minus 45 is 0. So our answer is 5. What is 5? It is the quotient. Quotient is 5. Now let us try one more example. Now we'll divide 18 by 2. Okay, what is the dividend here? 18. What is the divisor? 2. Now what do you have to do? What is the next step to divide the number? You have to recall the table of 2 till you get 18. Okay, so let us recall this table. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 4 times is 8, 5 times 10, 6 times 12, 7 times 14, 8 times 16, 9 times 18. So 2 9 times is 18. Okay, so we'll divide this 18. We can divide 18 by 2 by 9 times. So how will we write? 2 9s are 18. Okay, 2 9s are 18. We'll put the sign of subtraction here and subtract this number. So 18 minus 18 is 0. Okay, got it? So I hope now this long division method without remainder is clear to you all. So now we'll do exercise 6.3, which is given on page number 93. So please open page number 93. Division with remainder I'll explain afterwards. First clear this concept, simple division. Okay, so open page number 93 of your book. Question is, divide the following. Here everything is given in the book. Only you have to do is you have to write the space given here in yellow colored box. Okay, so open page number 93. Okay, so first question is 30 divided by 6. Now here beside this division, one more thing is given in your book. You can see this way it is written 6 multiplied by dash equal to 30. This is about checking your answer in division. Okay, but this you do not have to study in this class. You will study this concept in class 3. Okay, here you just have to study about dividing the numbers in long division method. Okay, so to divide 30 by 6, you have to recall the table of 6 till you get 30. So when you will recall the table, you will find that 6 5 times is 30. Okay, 6 5s are 30. So we'll write 5 here at the answer place above at the top, and then we'll write here again 30. Okay, this is the question part. This is the dividend, and we are writing here 30 again. Why? Because we are dividing the number. Okay, so 6 5s are 30, and we'll put the sign of subtraction here, and then 30 minus 30 is 0. Okay, just write 0. Clear? Now how you will check the answer? Here your quotient is 5. Here now what you have to do is you have to multiply the divisor by the quotient, okay, to know the answer. Which number, what number you guess, you should get dividend in this answer, okay. That is 6 multiplied by 5, divisor multiplied by quotient. What is divisor? 6. And what is the quotient? 5. So what is 6 5s are 30, and what is 30? The dividend, okay. If by multiplying the numbers you get the dividend, that means your division is correct, okay. Now question number B is 45 divided by 9, the same example which I had taken here. So by how many times we can divide 45 by 9? 9 5 times is 45, okay. So write 5 at the top and subtract 45 from the dividend, that is 45, and subtract 45 minus 45 is 0. So what is the quotient? What is your answer? 5. 5 is your answer, okay, which you get after dividing the numbers. Now question number says 18 divided by 2. When you will, same example just now I had taken. So by how many times you can divide 18 by 2? It was 9 times. 2 9s are 18. So we'll write 9 at the top here and write 18 again here below this dividend, that is 18, and then put the sign of subtraction. Now 18 minus 18 is 0. What is your quotient? Your answer is 9, okay. Now 48 divided by 8. To divide these numbers, again recall the table of 8 and find out by how many times you get 48 in table of 8. So when you will recall the table, you will get 8 6 times 48. 8 6 are 48. So write 6 at the top here and 48 again below this dividend. Put the sign of minus in this way and then subtract the numbers. You will get 0. Okay. 8 minus 8 0 and 4 minus 4 0. Clear? So these are first 4 questions. Next 6 questions also I will be doing here. Just fill up these answers in your book. So question number A is 15 divided by 3. Okay. So by how many times you get 15 in table of 3? Recall the table. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12 and 3 fives are 15. Okay. 3 5 times is 15. So we'll write 5 here at the top. 3 5s are and 15 below this dividend. Put the sign of subtraction. 5 minus 5 0, 1 minus 1 0. Okay. So 3 5s are 15. What is your answer here? Your answer is 5. Quotient is 5. Okay. Now question number F. 36 divided by 6. When you will recall the table of 6, by how many times you get 36 in table of 6? It is 6 times. Okay. 6 6 is 36. So write 6 at the top and subtract 36 from the dividend 36. Okay. So 6 minus 6 is 0 and 3 minus 3 is 0. 6 6 are 36. And what is your quotient here? How many times you get 36 in table of 6? By 6 times. So here your answer is 6. Now question number G. 81 divided by 9. Recall the table of 9 and find out by how many times you get 81 in table of 9. When you will recall the table, you will get 9 times 81. Okay. By 9 times you will get 81. So 9 9s are 81. So write 9 here at the top. Okay. What do we write here at the top? quotient, that is answer of division. So 9 nines are 81. Put the sign of subtraction and then subtract these numbers. 1 minus 1 0, 8 minus 8 0. Okay. Now 32 divided by 4. So you will get 32 by 8 times. Okay. 4 8s are 32. So 8 times is 32. So write 8 at the top. The question part. 4 8s are, write 32 here again and subtract the numbers. 2 minus 2 is 0 and 3 minus 3 0. What is the quotient here? 8. The answer is 8. Okay. Then here 30 divided by 5. 30 divided by 5. Now you all know table of 5. Recall the table and find out by how many times you get 30 in table of 5. So 5 6 is 30. Write 6 at the top and 30 again. 30 minus 30. Subtract the numbers. 0 minus 0 0. 3 minus 3 0. So 5 6 is 30. By 6 times we can divide 30 by 5. Your answer is 6. The last question here is 40 divided by 10. Now 10 4s is 40. 10 4s is 40. Now 40 minus 40 is 0. Again write zeros here. And what is the quotient? Quotient means what is the answer of division? 4. 10 4s are 40. 4 times by 4 times you can divide 40 by 10. Okay. So in this way you have to divide the numbers and write the answers in your book. No need to do this check yourself part. Okay. Again I am repeating, you will study this in class 3. Now children, today I have explained this one concept, that is long division method without remainder. Okay. So just clear this concept. Take some more numbers and try to divide the numbers. Okay. Or you can just take same questions and divide the numbers without seeing from the book. You can do this in your rough copy to practice. Or else you can also take the numbers of question number 2. In question number 2 you have to divide and check your answer. So just cross this check yourself part. So just try all these questions, just divisions which are given here. 35 divided by 7, 18 divided by 3. Just do all these questions. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 questions in this question number 2. Okay. So just divide the numbers just for your practice. Okay. No need to do this, check yourself. Clear? These 5 questions you can try in your book for your practice. Just recall the tables of divisors and find out by how many times you get the dividend. Okay. The number which you have to divide. Now this word problems are also related to long division method without remainder, which is given on page number 96. Okay, so open page number 96 with exercise 6.4. So in this question, first, second and third, first 3 questions here are given, and space to solve these questions has also been given. Okay, in blue, pink and yellow colored box. You have to solve here these questions in the book itself. Okay, so do not write these questions in copy. Solve these first 3 questions in book itself. Okay, now I'm going to read and explain this question, and I'll also solve this question on board. So first question is 49 cookies are equally divided among 7 children. How many cookies will each child get? Okay, so here the number of items is 49, total number of items. So that is our dividend. Okay. Now number of groups is 7 children. 7. So that is our divisor. How will you write this in long division method? 49 divided by 7. Okay, 49 divided by 7. By how many times you will get 49 in table of 7? By 7 times. Okay. So 7 sevens are 49. Subtract the numbers, you will get zeros. So here the answer is 7. So each child will get 7 cookies. Okay. Each child will get 7 cookies. You have to write 7 here also in this box and solve this division. Write this division, long division here. Okay. In this blue colored box. Everything is given, lines and subtraction sign, everything is given. You just have to write the numbers and solve there. Okay. Then question number 2 is, there are 36 balloons which are to be distributed among 9 children. How many balloons will each child get? So here the number of items is 36. That is our dividend. The number of group is 9 children. So that is our divisor. So 36 divided by 9. So you can divide 36 by 9 by 4 times. So 9 fours is 36. Subtract and write zeros in the remainder part here. So so each child will get how many balloons? 4 balloons. Okay, each child will get 4 balloons. Now question number 3 is, a gardener planted, question number 3 is, a gardener planted 40 trees in 5 rows. How many trees did he plant in each row? So here the dividend is 40 trees and number of group is, that is divisor is 5. So we will divide 45 by 5. Okay. So when you will recall the table of 5, you will find that you will get that 5 9 times is 45. Okay. So write 9 here at the top and subtract 45 from the dividend 45. So 45 minus 45 is 0. Okay. So each row has how many trees? Each row has 9 trees. Okay. This is the answer. So fill all these 3 answers here and write the final answer, the quotient, in this yellow box also. Okay. Complete it in your book. So children, that's all for today. Now in next session, I'll explain this long division method with remainder. Okay. So just complete all this book work. Now as you all know that copy correction is going on, you all have submitted the copies. Maximum students have completed unit 5 multiplication, but still in some of the copies either tables are not written or word problems are not done, or fill in the blanks and find the product is not done. So when you get back your copies, children, please just go through the works which are uploaded. Okay. In third semester I have uploaded, first of all it is portion, then fill in the blanks, find the product, tables are also there, table of 10, 11 and 12, and word problems of multiplication. So if your work is incomplete, when you get back your copies, please download and complete all these works. Okay, now we'll meet in next session. Till then, take care. Goodbye.